Hello Honors Pre-Calculus students. Today's learning target is to find the sum of a geometric series. So if you look at the following problem, we want to find the sum of the first 23 terms. So in class we learned that the sum is equal to a1 times 1 minus the ratio to the n, where n is the number of terms you're adding up, divided by 1 minus r. So in order to do problem number 1, the first thing we're going to do is find the first term. So I have to find a1. Plugging in, a1 is negative 26. And the ratio is equal to 3. So it's that 3 there. So the sum of the first 23 terms is going to be negative 26, 1 minus the ratio raised to the 23rd power over 1 minus the ratio. Typing this into your calculator, you get approximately negative 1.224 times 10 to the 12th. Taking a look at problem number 2, again I'm going to use the sum of the first n numbers is a1 times 1 minus the ratio to the n over 1 minus the ratio. The first value that you plug in for n is 1. So the first term, if you were to write this out, is going to be 39. Looking at this, the ratio is negative 3. So then the sum of the first 26 numbers is going to be equal to 39 times 1 minus negative 3 raised to the 26th over 1 minus negative 3. Doing this on your calculator, you will get negative 2.478 times 10 to the 13th. And taking a look at the final question here, again I'm going to use the sum of the first n numbers is equal to a1, 1 minus the ratio to the n over 1 minus the ratio. The first value that we plug in is 0. So that means the first term is 35 times 10 over 9. The ratio is 10/9. And you got to be a little careful here. The number of terms we are adding up is actually 29 because we are starting at 0. So when you plug into the formula, you're really adding up 29 terms. So it's 35 times 10/9 times 1 minus the ratio, and there are 29 terms you are adding up, divided by 1 minus the ratio. Doing that on my calculator, I get that the sum of the first 29 terms is 6372.72.